When you're shopping for a spare tire carrier, you want to make sure you get something that's usable for you. In that case here, I designed this bottom shelf because 4x4 tires are really heavy. So I want to be able to lift the tire, put it on the shelf, and then move it to the right or move it to the left and find a center rod onto which I can tighten the tire in place. The shelf here has a hole onto which you could put a carabiner. If you need to strap stuff to your spare tire, it is totally doable. The reason why we have the two wheels behind me here is to show you that it's possible to install the spare tire on the driver's side or the passenger side. Full-size box on the driver's side and the spare tire is on the passenger side. With all that space left at the bottom, I could easily fit a Rotopacks right here and the propane bottle. The spare tire carrier can be adjusted pretty much anywhere on the door carrier. As you can see here, it could have been just above the license plate, could be moved to the left, moved to the right side. On the passenger side, as long as we're above the door handle, we're good. Could have been the next slot down or moved to the side to clear more space here. It's whatever works for you.